Thank you for coming. It's a very short broadcast. It's all about celebrations. Wawa big congratulations, yo. Wawa big congratulations, yo. Wawa big congratulations, yo. On answer na gogo yi. Congratulations. If you do your fair all the Edo light. Wherever you are watching me from, you also begin to write congratulations. Erima, baba ima, harano gwe do ya fair. O mene. Owa ture nedene na vai we no sahu no mau hey wa agbon yo iri yo ni wa do ya do gogo ya gbe na ya ri po me no salobo nu dasi ere wa se you gonna see money do you go baba se buje you want to start to go to Ogogo ni magwa lokero ni ya de ogogo laido o se ni magogo ji ibi edo ya so kero ni ya de o na gwowe ote na gwowe ote na mi oto o salobo adogbi maru e de o pada me bo nai agbe pada we no wash me ya de pada nu gbe agbe pada ebe ni no mahia live oni Mahimu dia Ropa. Mahimu, we don't wait to anybody again. Thank you very much. Yours the right celebration. Congratulations. What gbona yo? What gbona yo? Ya we pada mere. What gbona yo? Today is a celebration day. wa gbe no yo ko nene ni oto wa se ni ha iyanu we no nya to osolobo amoto we gu e o te kabaka na guogo ameno e gbawo pa o gbawo yagbe wa ki ma gogo wa ki ma le baba gogo wa o ko this thing o pase ki anwin na win we no already coin wa ki ma gogo o le dona o le dona let's wa ki ma gogo share the word of freedom who here may tell no here who here tell no here awa gogo wa ki ma udo
MailChimp's marketing smarts. We get a whole lot of creative smarts. Recommendations.
Congratulations to our Baba. They cannot go to Oba Tokbe. Humanity beer. Ma we no beer. No beer wa ki ma gbe gogo. No more. Ogidi Gambia. Right where you are watching from. Begin to rest where you are watching from. Ibona, make una leave all social media when they talk with they are not rich. Pass here. Not be there the day when they destroy Kabaka Hotel. How many of the crack come out? How many women crack come out say why not destroy our brother hotel? Pass here. Wakiago. Congratulations. It's all about congratulations. When I use the right time, congratulations. Suspend every other social media we in the watch. Any topic when they talk, if they don't celebrate, you man celebrate the name. Wala ye wari. Wa big congratulations yo. Oba secure when no go do yafo. Wo go we take Kabaka. Awon ayi ikwe kimalaja ni ado so we. Kabaka na. We don't know. Why get cut decision okay go we hotel. Ama go dubu. O pama go. So why that man for this thing we go carry wetin dey call am. Ida osa pikin, ida osa son. No ya go why ya fe ya rewa ni. Do not go yo because to gbe na sin yan. O en wa we go kana. To gbe na sin no. So why go why we gbe awowa ne walawa. Share the word, go celebrate our baba. Why celebrate baba? Why just celebrate baba? Celebrate baba. Ọmọ ọ sẹ́ni yàrá gbọ́nà nẹ́ẹ̀lẹ́nẹ́ ó sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́ akíọ̀dẹ́ ẹnu ẹ̀. Wàjà pẹ́ hìhàn àjà pẹ́ dìní hẹ́n rè mú yọ náà ok wàjà mọ́nà yọ Agimamona yo.
Veckans bästa priser på Stora Coop och Coop.
Wagimamona yo. One of the right congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Papa Collins, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Wanna look at those states today. Problem. No one day when they come Buhari say Buhari they come commission project. Now problem. Even I hear now say the two Turkmenians they don't get problem. One say they don't do protest. One say they do protest. You see all of them? Those are bad people. Bad people. The mistake can be done. When we enjoy, let's celebrate. See them over here, Feel free to give me thumbs up, give me thumbs up, give me thumbs up. all about celebration. Now celebration all through. Thank you for coming. Let me just welcome some important people. I welcome all of you now. I don't feel mention all of you name. Now this kind of celebration, now we dey wait for. Oba Tokpe! He said, Ehara, no gwedo ya. Okporunu, nekbowa o. Ogidigan, ogedo ya. Oba, niredo ya ya yo. Oba ne tene, nabagie. Oba no tene, omwese. Oba, ni manire do no le diaspora. Ni boya mu yiji megbe. Ruda we, I'm your banner, ya do. Neva ọpa weke menu to bi me yiri na ọba ne do keke Queen Elizabeth onu e mani me he radio world winyana wana kabo he ya be yakada avie ni ke bai e ma we ni ke oyo ake avinya bai. Breaking news now today I'm not supposed to come out. I just want to relax because all to the talk matter na Togberians. If now say now another person that they commit what you they do so. Obaseki by itself now go there, go ask and say what they happen. So now Togberians, now Pete now the guy win the word. If you don't know today, wanna know he deliver a word. You understand? So all these matter now they use and disturb on ourselves. You understand? That one when it happen, when we say the house song, they say me he land way back, they begin first and they begin chukan, then inside, begin the bulldozer all these places. You see the way the matter be. Not them. Now you when they look, they don't understand. But I stand with them and they do the protest. That we have the universe, you don't get right to say no protest. I stand with them. As far as Kola Dokpa is involved, they do that protest. But today, I don't want to just come out at all. I don't want to come out. Breaking news to now all. Ehara no gwedo ya our baba. Oh, na. Ogogo or Wavwedonia. Armaimio de la de do. Ogogo Vwedo. At Omopa Eva Eha Ene Ejimana wa be Ene. Why we no sa wouldn't ma what you say may God do for us, may not do for us. Not be one, not be two, you know, not be three, four. Our king just deliver 4. The wife just deliver 4. Today, as I hear her now, say no, I don't go feel sit down. I need to celebrate. When I will see me say, come on, this one of my special one. Now occasion, you get the way the occasion go strong, reach. Now they wear her. If you look the back, you go see what they write. I go on bro. If yeah, when you ja. No, egua. Ni ma egua ni. When you say where in egua. But we they look then. You know, a question, a few questions you go ask them. Oh, I tell you, no question, you know, where and when the boomer away school regua. And when the boomer a one name unuro, all the way go. Or he answer right, utame, uroni, tamame, different uroni, explaining yamame. And somehow, so that is it. And now is a very special day. Now all about congratulations. Now all these kind of congratulations, now we're supposed to receive. Now we're supposed to hear. Not be bad news. Now that one now, they say soldier don't go destroy that woman's house. You know, many news where they call. They all hear good news. They all hear say why they come and those state commission project. Now problem. See all the media don't catch fire. Nothing when they talk, they come say now so Buhari won't go commission project. Nothing. All the thing when they talk now problem. This one go they cry this side, this one go they cry this side. What one are they cry for? Not be on a present, not be the destroy Kabaka hotel. Kabaka not be human being. If I come for hope, I don't know say get children when be say. I don't know the people they when they use that hotel they live. My people, more than all that I beg, I receive a lot of message today. I beg when I not rest, when I leave outside. Today I be one rest. I don't feel like with Tona. Me person, I won't rest. Today, I don't want to come out. My people here will bear with weakness. I don't want to come out. I don't tire. You know, because I don't want to come out. But I say, hear the good news. As you are watching me, just continue the congratulations. Congratulations. As you use your hand, the right congratulations. People go celebrate you. People go celebrate you. Now, this one am I read me. If get out the something go day, oh yeah, boy. Now go fight. Come out like this. You know say yes. We need la jamba. Na yak back here. Come out like this. No, that's special day. I get them different type. I get them reach almost this like this, oh, on different color. I get them. I get them, but I know they use them like that. It's special occasion. Now see when I go and tell you go do marriage, I bring one come out. I get them. I will echo reserve here special day. Now a bad congratulations, one at the right time. Baba Martins, thank you for coming. I see you. I see one free, no worry. People there, one not go make sure your name, you get why. But one yours free. Oba talk where he say, I see you. Baba Collins, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's all about congratulations. Steve Eddy, that is my great leader. All the way from Canada. I see you. You don't hear the breaking news, right? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, walk back. When Agbona, you know, say, oh, get it gone. Oh, now what here, we. Vava, ne vava, no. Vava, ne vava, no. Una no, wawo no bien ania. Wawo no bien na. Be babario wo na begeni, waya bege. Waya wo no bien na. So e can even the babara bege begeni, wana ma bege. On a continue the congratulations, near yate bagata. Congratulations. Baba Steve had the Didon, Baba Mufwa, who are talk all the way from Roman Empire. Domosa, Ogogomaye, congratulations. I will take congratulations. Those state, Okbeni may congratulated me, Massey. Social media, social go on a wa, Amion Nato, Emuwa Museum, Emuwa Museum. Otore pastor ami I met him oni gbere kaka odubu ogbu problem me don tire for problem. I don tire. I want this they celebrate. I want they celebrate. Celebrate wey come now. Una come see and say he come make boa. Oh ma o do guge no. Omo pa Eva, Eha, Ene. Oba Tokbe! He said, Wawa Bona, your congratulations. Baba Mufwa, be very well, Baba. I see you, my great lady, all the way from Roman Empire. The show, Baba Mufwa, you there here. I want pass information to the full Roman Empire. Una we won't organize that show. I know say una be men of timber and caliber. As I respect all of una. I respect all of una because my mates not say any of una miss. I respect all of una. You people, you are a great leader. I come opportunity take beg una. That show, what I want do. Some people they say na a door to the wall, a door to the world, not be a door to war. I mean as a Roman, here fear with it. The man na very na a door to the world. All that world, a door to the wall. Wa mo war for ma ko be a door to the world. And I please everybody, my leader there. Edo United, whether because I'm a member, distant member me. Who are giving a woman, me and we see for 10, when tell me say I'm welcome, we short now, tell me no say I'm a member. If I ever physically come, now we wanna sit down. Why who me ye why me get be? He may see can lo me get be. I be go me to talk on. That show that day, I don't say when I don't invite. I see poster I wanna print come out. I happy say Star Majesty they come. Yes, why you want this other guy again. They call am again. Don Cliff. I appreciate when I try. Don Cliff they come. Another musician again, I don't know that one name. That one see they come. But the only thing when I want please una, Lady J Amufua. Lady J Amufua. Now she now be the powerful woman we won't perform for that group that day. No, we not time no man. Emi no rewo one ayako. Emi no go one at Eugene. So I don't care whatever person when they breed they call any female when they can come for any place. Lady J Amufua is going to be the pillar woman of that day. He pray ni meti make e wa pray ni make ya tami wa vi Roma na we memory me le me na no the value person wey come for far distance. Na the one wey follow me dey now we value well. Why ya yo e Roma ya kin kire ya mo yo bo una no waiting for you for London. And also all this for not very important. Make una allow am perform small. But una give Lady J Amufua chance. Wari ere ojena. E oni owo yin gbedane. That is it. If she won't come, say won't do Euro tour, you make it do am. I know say na London, I won't pass. No, so I can't come for Nigeria. But normally, Lady J Amufua, wa always stage ni no, baby no hoen. Why time I wait 2 minutes? They get me 2 minutes. No lie. Wala we wa do you wa? Wala we go. So every maram Don Amufua ugume pass information on all of them they watch me. They will see this broadcast. Roma be gume gwa. No adu call, e book call. Maybe amu. So Lady J Amufua, wanna give her a chance, make she perform very well that day. And on why they life, or why perform, why via your life. And no go. So now so you be my people. Thank you once again, Baba Collins. I see you. Kisley. I see you. Monse, thank you very much for coming. Iyare, that's all. Don, I see you. Thanks for coming. Tessie, wow. I see you new face today. Baba Kennedy, those are my leader. I see you. Baba Godwin, oh, those are my man. I see you. Mensi, whoa, thank you very much for coming. Iyo, thank you for coming. Thank you. Ameze, oh, wow. Thank you for coming. That is my Frederica John. That is my great follower. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I know so if you get tangible followers, your mind will reach down. All the bad followers, then they push all these people. They enter Ogiomba. Eri mabiena. Ahiawa boy. Una we never carry powder. Make una go break powder. Una see how it dey happen. Oye, be like shockable yafe. You know shock una. Oma shock wa. You know shock you. Baba Eri Omobude, your boy loyal. What talk, babe? My leader, Edobo, Baba, greet you, sir. Mariye, Iradia, thanks for coming. Endurance, Kenneth, thank you for coming. I really celebrate you all. Thank you. Vivian, Jeffrey, thank you very much. I really celebrate you all. It's good, maybe we see they celebrate ourselves. Maybe we celebrate. Congratulations, we see they congratulate. Not be, this one has scatter. This one land collect. This one, now that one just go hold us for social media. Nobody they remember to able to tell the governor, what did you want to do for the state? What did you don't do for the state? No one they remember anymore. Now problem. See the two of them now will be the same Ogbane. One say they do protest. The other one say no. The other one will say no. That one might be the only one enemy or whatever you say. I make it. You enemy the layer. So that protest must as far as in door talk put. Say me no hold. You must say am I be that protest it go hold. But maybe for me today I don't want to come out. I repeat them again. As I hear the breaking news, now I say no. I no go fit stay. Ali Baba he celebrate. Ali Baba celebrate again. Date of Basekin winner. We no keke no je okwe agwogo na wa amirokpa na la we talk am as the day. My people will continue the enjoyment. Feel free to share the word of freedom. Yes. Okay. Congratulations, congratulations. Thank you very much for coming. Share the word of freedom. Today's broadcast is very different. And so, what are they shaking with our body? Months ago, as we celebrate with our Baba, people go celebrate with you now. People go celebrate with you now.
Smart Switch för att övergången med dig från din gamla mobil snabbt och säkert.
Share the word of freedom. Let's enjoy ourselves. Let's congratulate our Baba. Ọ̀nà ọdún pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ rọ́mọ́ bẹ̀ dẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀. Ẹgbà ìkọ̀tọ̀ rí màá ní ẹ̀dọ̀. Àwọn àgbéyọ̀ o. Ẹgbà ìkọ̀tọ̀ rí màá ní ẹ̀dọ̀. Ẹgbà àbòyé ni màá ní. Àwọn àgbéyọ̀. Kọ̀mpútà náà tẹ́. If I don't celebrate my Baba, wait here again. Wait here again. Yes, my president come. Thanks for coming. You with your name, they have me to pronounce. Mweme so my meso. Do go akwan yo. Do tamia we me na se we. Iye kwe. Iye ize ta iye active agata. Iye itane iye ya bal pepe supi mo. Nino ya we muyu. The last one muyu. Oh ya wo. Ununa. Ogbin ayo. Wagi ma continue.
dẹ̀rí ògbé ni o. Níbi ọ̀sẹ̀ oríyé rẹ̀ bìí. Ẹ̀gbá ẹ̀rẹ̀sẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀gbá nínú ìwé ẹ̀gbá nílé pẹ̀lú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ̀gbá wá táyé ẹ̀gbá nígbà òjà kò yẹ. Sọ̀rọ̀ náà di ẹ̀yẹ mẹ́rin lọ́rí ẹ̀yẹ náà. Ìyára ti ẹ̀yẹ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ìyá ti ẹ̀yẹ ò nílé yàrá tí wọ́n bá dẹ̀ tó. Lùdẹ́ o, tọ́wọ́ lè gé kẹ́yìn nílé o. Lẹ́jọ́ ti lu yóò bọ́ gbẹ́gbẹ́ ní wẹ̀yẹ. Tọ́tí ẹ̀yẹ rẹ̀ ọba nílé òkú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀lọpọ̀ múnú lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ o. Tọ́tí ẹ̀yẹ rẹ̀ ọba mi yẹrẹ o. Ọba ní kàrà dọ́pọ̀ tó. Ọbẹ̀ tó lù yìí lọ́rẹ̀ tó gbó. Ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ bòyí ni màmá nẹ́. Tọ́lẹ̀kẹ́ ní màá wá kó yọ o. Ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ o, ẹgbẹ́ ìkọ́tọ̀ bí màá ní ẹ̀tọ́ o. Kọ́tẹ́kọ́tẹ́ mọ̀ ní kẹ́tọ́ rẹ̀. Wọ̀bí ayédè ẹgbẹ́ ìkọ́tọ̀ rẹ̀ tó o. Ẹgbẹ́ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ o, ẹgbẹ́ ìkọ́tọ̀ bí màá ní ẹ̀tọ́ o. Olúbídìí náwó ni wọ́n bá bẹ́ sẹ́. Olúbídìí náwó ni wọ́n bá bẹ́ sẹ́. Olúbídìí. Respect to the king. Ọba ẹ wọlé ti sẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Wagyabe. Hey, now, thank you for calling free to share the word of freedom. When I pass the good information out. When I pass the information out to people. Wagyabe, not bekere. Don't cliff. I got it, don't cliff away, na bekere by.
Välkommen till ljusa stunder. Marabou.
It's all about celebration, my people. It's all about celebration. Yeah, bonan ain't better no wa. Waguma be national anthem me. When national anthem mo biana hi. Ya gbete we. Ani la gbete wa kara o. Ani ya gbete we. La gbete u polisa. Obe ba u baba o. Kada baba o. Oh na. Congratulations, thank you all, boss. Ola Coco, one of everywhere. Greetings to you. Thank you very much. Balance. I see you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. It's all about celebration. Ekara no gwedo ya fe. Ose na gogo yi. Ose na gogo yi. I can't go touch it. About maybe like 15 minutes. 15 minutes time we're ready broadcast. Share the word, share this broadcast. Today, hey, so, Time, you not call, you not talk good. They say they won't do protest now. And now you can't talk. Una dey see, huh? Una dey see where we dey go? Hey, so this is a
Jag skulle vilja försöka världens finaste ukulele.
Trevligt. Något mer?
Ja, men kanske möjligen.
Thank you all for coming. People will celebrate with you. People will celebrate with you. People will celebrate you. People that need to Tony Kabaka say, our Baba don't born. What I did pass in Kabaka. People that take Kabaka say, our Baba don't born. He say, oh, my talk, he say, this is a great Omopa, Eva, Eha, Eneupa, Evama. One of my qualities. It's been a year. My leader, I talk to Baba. Thanks for coming. You cannot wear no gear. If I only tell like Garena, but when I hear the news, I don't feel that. The great Asawala in the building. Asawala in the building. Social media. This one destroy us. They collect this one land. Wahala yeah. Nothing like congratulations. Nothing like celebration. Also no. La. Obaseki win now. You go pepper una. So when we celebrate our own celebration. Wawa Akpana, your congratulations. This is a day. This is a day. If I don't celebrate my Baba, wait again. You can't turn on that. You know it's a special day. My shaman they watch me and I why I know it. He didn't enjoy it no one. He didn't enjoy that. I will see my own different. Social media get level. Not because they talk blah 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 blah. They get level. say oh, I will say oh, una go still go celebrate with una. Una all of una do well. This is a day you do. I will say oh, I will say oh. Hey, you say oh, see what, this is a day you do. Oba tope. Abaka we malatia. I didn't wear banana. We malatia so happy man. Thank you all for coming. I really appreciate you all. Thank you all the bar celebration. When I don't hear the breaking news, our Baba, your wife, your give birth. So you reach to celebrate. Not be one, not be two, not be three, 4. We reach to celebrate. So that the breaking news be that, who yeah, make it tell who no yeah. It's all about celebrations. We need to celebrate our Baba. We need to give our Baba the best. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you all. Feel free to share this broadcast. Who yeah, make it tell who no yeah. Make it tell who no yeah. Social media these days, nah, they destroy this one property. They collect this one land. Soldier go destroy another woman house. This one do this one. This one do this one. Now so we go the day they go. So we go the day. Nothing like good news like this. Good news like this. So thank you all. I really appreciate you all. Who yeah, make it tell who no yeah. The whole about celebration. I see they rock my powder. I see they rock my powder. Anywhere you did. Can why they are why we pada why we be I wait to a man where you live video why we be why they baba go this will not be small thing no not be 1 not be 2 not be 3 4 who you go sir send today normally I don't not just my agenda to come out. As I come back from my office, even when they call me and I sleep a day, what did they happen? I say, this what the door. I say, me no, but today I don't want you to come out. Or to check me, or check my page. All this week I did broadcast. What did they talk? That woman when they collect the land, this one they collect you, this one they just scatter in house. We're not supposed to know, say all these things will come up. We're not supposed to know. We're not supposed to know because when they destroy Kabaka Hotel, many people they happy. You know, now they happy. They won't collect pastor. They won't collect pastor farm. Where everybody supposed to put together and say election is over. Or can leave this land now farm. Some people able see they happy. Some people see they happy. So what you call the use you now the stop social media for. So I'm not wearing no egg. You understand? The one way happen when that guy from they call him, when they go carry Davos son land, you begin write SSSS follow the your ass when did that side. What did they do? Not them. This one when they talk. Not them. So if now let God now prayer we will pray. That we will what you all use strength do. So now make I be say to this if I want to come out. When I don't hear now say even the 2 Togberians, 2 of them now won't fight. One say they not do the protest. Because that one be the bad dead inside. Una know. I don't feel tell una say other kind of name I want to pronounce them again because they say not get level raw. Now when they talk for social media now they carry the name they go front. No level. If you see them for ground, they be like never issue when you wear for leg. So what is the extent? So now pray with the pray. Today I be also know, but as I hear the breaking news, I say I need to come out and celebrate and pass the good news to my good followers, people who never still here. No, I still here. So now, so you be my people. Thank you all for coming. Thank you for celebrating with our Papa. Celebration. As you write congratulations for here today, so people go see the right congratulations for your war. Something way worth congratulations. something wey worth congratulation, people go see dey congratulate you. People go congratulate you. People go congratulate you. We no be we dey talk about land. Na so they destroy house. Na so they collect this one. Or more, or say nana yafe. Nere mo more. No be big congratulation yema. All the way are the so look all we on way. That is it. And not me say pastor more pull out of your head fast. No. When your time reach, nobody need to tell you say don't reach your time when you take get your own. God will do it. As you rejoice with people, people must rejoice with you. People must rejoice with you. Really celebrate you all. God bless everybody. As soon as celebrate our Baba. A palace now over happiness. All this una land matter. Come, all this una land matter. Monday, make una do na project. I know say una not do na project protest. Una do am. But make una yo comot palace for una matter now. Why they wanna not carry all this una land? Go palace now. I all come beg all of una beg. Make una share these broadcasts. Mona share am. I come beg all of una. Make una carry all this una land matter. Now so the soldier destroy your house. So there's Osadebe Abenu says soldier come destroy your house. Now so youth go sell land when not belongs to them. Youth go sell another person land give you. You no investigate, you don't go build for the house. Mona just hold on first. Mona not carry and go palace now because road not there. Why dem muye palace? Ewo go awa jena. Mona not come down use una reggae. Come go dey disturb palace. Una come go palace now. They don't give una attention. Now una see cry on social media. Hey, I go palace so they no open door for me. I come beg una. I did doing me what? If they collect land for your hand, if you want me palace talk put, hold on first. Hold on, because everybody gets your own. And you wanna hold on. I told the ya toloma. Nothing when it come up, we know they come down. Nothing when it come up, we know they come down. So make una hold on. Wanna just hold on for now. I not say me una not be say I say this one, that one. No. Now you when they watch me, you supposed to understand what they try to talk. There's time for everything. Please continue to write the congratulations. When you continue to like. Thank you for the thumbs up. Uyi, I really celebrate you. Thank you. Make una join Uyi, they put thumbs up. Now celebration. One they put thumbs up. Very soon I will hear the broadcast. You see, it's almost 1 hour now. So it's very soon going to hear the broadcast. Continue the like. When I pass this information out. When I me pass them out. Now celebration we day now. Yeah, long live my king. Yeah, God bless you. Omoruyi, na so, long live our king. You know, go out on now. Go out there. When some people they come out, they put their mouth for waiting. They not supposed to talk, now they talk. They not supposed to talk. Go check my last broadcast. I come out on my last broadcast. They let that magician way magician way not get microphone. Where he dey now? Okay, he talk this thing that time. People they say, Baba not talk. We be know now say good news like this will come. So we don't know. So that is why people go say they go palace. Now so palace no attend them. We not even know whether we supposed to understand here with that female though. Everything for life get time. Everything for life get time. So all this, if you watch this Okoromi Matana or of Okoromi, that place, according to what we dey hear, you see, I say they can't cut that. They can't fight for one land. You know, after Palace don't talk for the matter, they can't release some part of the land to Okoromi. You know, and some people they don't buy the land before they can't release that to Okoromi, and they buy the land. They buy it from the other side. I don't know the name of the other side again. They buy it from the other side. So the new people now when you can't get that land, definitely they must need something from the land small. So nothing when you come up, they come down. Make una just calm down. Make una calm down. The way una they follow up the procedure, I know that una. But una will say no, but I can't beg una. Say everybody now come they run, they go palace. The palace now, we don't hear the good news now from Oguanohua. Una don't hear the goods do from Moronqua. Make una hold on. Make una hold on. No, hold on. No, be say you can't say you go palace, they don't open door for you. You begin do video. This time around, we don't need all this kind broadcasts wey no make sense concerning Owanokwa because now all about celebrations. Even social media presenters need a banner. Today self, they no even suppose use and celebrate our Baba, except say they never hear. Or anyone we don't hear, I know say they must come out to celebrate our Baba. Our celebrated Baba. Not be all the time we will come here. They collect this one lad. This one do this one. Now problem with the settle. The way with the settle and the rich, as you settle this one finish, new one will come out. You dey settle this before you settle this one finish, new one don't come out. Wetin we go wait? Now so we go the day they go. Yes, Mona make una see they pray for the governor. Mona they pray for her. Make he remember all he promises. If work dey, all this land, Mona they see so. Why government no go dey invest for all that land? Why? If government won't invest, if they won't build their state, they'll carry and come off for Edo state. If they don't know, Mona know. If they won't build their state, they'll carry and come off for Edo state. Now all live small filling station, put down for them. If they won't build hotel, check all these people in those they have knowledge they get hotel for another state. They get estate for another state. They get the over here don't know me. Kabaka hotel they caught. In case never finish, they put them down. No be person from what they call him that magician will not get microphone, get anything. Una not hear what he talk concerning our Baba. Una not hear what our Baba do. If not be Kotusugbo me can go say he no go agree make this thing happen. He can go arrest him. Baba no even talk. Even God when they heaven, people see they insult him. Not be person there for Jamie. Not be Jamie be the headquarter of Ogiomba community. Not be the Jamie. All the other that one will be like Moki. We not resemble human being when start finish. Plus, I dare say some 6 days is Spain where they talk out of point. What did Baba do then? He cut their head. When I don't even hear Baba talk and come out one day say, now we they put on for air say this thing they pepper me for body. So Baba get a lot of things when they do. So if they nobody will do the insult for this life. Nobody. God when he say creators, they say they tell them some kind of wicked word. So what they can't do you this like that when you go break person, you all wait till you all break person property, you all break and contact boa. See mega now go as that day, they don't allow and see grandmama. But when I go they talk for years, election is over. But he over for una mat, you know over people when they home. So what we gonna do? So celebration like this, I really appreciate una all. Some people they day now we're there for the talk who for Peking, who born Peking, who do this one, that they define. That is why I see my leader for here just now. Donna Mufwa, I let her know for the show when happen for Rome, for this August when they so. People when they organize them, they are very responsible people. Now they let them they know now. Lady J Amufwa, she supposed be the number one female we go hold that ground that day. I don't say magician when they come from different places say they're not good though. They're good because I see Don Clifford, the men good, the women. Donna Amufwa, Lady J Amufwa supposed to be the pillar. No more not give her 2 minutes, make it play. More let her play. Oh wow, na he dey grand. Maybe say who come for far distance when you all come say because you come for far distance. Although agboti tilele, what dey body? Bala. Not today there. Agbera wane. Even no regoma. Aya you. I don't even know one go carry and come. Maybe na free take come. Come female magician full Italy there. Una no go na Bini any do here. One no carry magician. Female magician when they there. When I go see this woman, I go London when cause wahala follow social media. I dey they tie juju for waist. When I yan little what bully ya here now carry go Roma. Nene Roma no awu wana wa ya mo wan wa be wan film to here. Why push you way? Why they be do mo na buy? Why but wa ge Lady J Amufwa or wa ye gene. Wa ge wa be. Una no hurry am. Na he dey grand, the woman don't take for Roma. She don't take. I take her, walk up there, Bonadian. Someone give her time. they working mama be abon no for no me TV la na Roma be abi UGN o ma do won pa ji horo pa yi Roma ni esi wa so ege wa no na la o na ri ege ni ne kido yimi wa yi ni aje. So thank you for coming once again. You are right, my brother. Hey, see now, thank you very much. BS or back there. So thank you. That is why sometimes if we dey talk, we don't feel say we dey talk, we not get weakness. Someone is watching from Rome. Someone is watching from Rome. So my mama, may you help me pass the information. Big congratulations to our dad. Yes, big congratulations. I greet you. BS of back there. I really appreciate you for you to come. I see you. Thank you very much. My very congratulations. Celebrate you all. Please share this broadcast. Who here make it tell who not here. As una dey share am, who you know say get problem for land matter, or na so they destroy your house. Kabaka hotel they destroy am. You know, Kabaka hotel which other land where they want destroy when walk past Kabaka home. Still here they say me the man no dey talk. Here when the Kabaka go artifact come, you know say talk put. Anything when talk na problem. Una this same way that musician will not get microphone, they play all that video. I don't know say they pay Kabaka away and see the video, but you know what talk. If he ain't go do that wakana, they go change am from am. What no happen? They go turn am. They are looking for any means to take pull that our Benin man for problem. He ma go with Kabaka let do it. But when he boom my video, if you woman see come on my born on him, God won't bless her now. See the other day now, not be give birth to a baby boy. But that you know, the person not go fit born that kind of thing, you not go fit buy am, but you fit get money build hotel, but you not go fit get money get that kind of thing. So that's why you be my people. Una as una dey share am, una know people when they don't collect their land, make una dey tell them say abeg, make una no bother una self now to go Owanohua. Because again when they don't go converse una, they say I won't go palace, or una no come dey do video. And they say I go palace, they no open door for me. I stay for palace for how many hours? Nobody open door for me for palace. Nobody open door for me. This one, that one. We no need them now. That make I come beg una. Muna help me share this broadcast. Waga hey, Muna share am. Almost 60 people that watch this broadcast from the beginning. Now it's almost 50 people. It's enough. Muna share am. Now me know this broadcast una they see so. Una they see 70 people for the watch. After we've end this broadcast, now people when they watch, outside they don't want make their outside view. They don't want make their own. They don't want make their name show. Now thousands. Sometimes if I finish broadcast, I will see like 70 people watching. Yesterday like 60 they watch. After broadcast, once I just the head down, I'll just see view 500 view. I say where all this one come for come? Where it come for come? So Muna when they just the buoyant, they give me the encouragement, they feel they show your face. Joseph, thanks for coming. I see you. Rosemary, Sifo, thank you very much for coming. Please, Muna, help me share this broadcast. It's all about celebration. I don't come here now, they talk about who fuck marriage woman. I know they come here and talk about whether CNN. I don't come here, they talk about who, how, whatever, who's waiting the rain now for the media. I don't know. I don't know they fight for position. You know, I don't get president. Let me be president of my own. This is the biggest platform in the full Scandinavian. So for only two of us, they broadcast for the full country. Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland. Just two people. And the two people are different people. Now they happy. That one in your day on your own. In a Togberians. But the force is set for Togberians, but their own Togberians deny them. For me, I hope where I hope. That is it. He deny them. But me, I can Pastor not go fit deny me. I must say Pepe Subu can come out tomorrow say no know me. Or unless I will come out tomorrow say no know me. But I cannot fit come out say no know me. A Nogi of Jamie not fit come out say no know me. Adomofo not fit say no know me. Johnny Gbizugbe not fit say no know me. A new generation of prophets not fit say no know me. Because they know the work. Why I do? Taju Omori for Canada. Don't say I know the great mega. The Akataka one of the universe. He not go fit say he don't know me. Those are my leader. Now they me look. And they wash up. Now they come to this level one day. This lady when they wash us here, so ABS. In a social media presenter as well. She get YouTube. You know. So maybe she go write her YouTube for the world. Make una feel free to subscribe. ABS, if you are still here, ABS about me, please, you feel free to post your YouTube name for this broadcast. You know, make una go to subscribe there. Because very soon I'll come out with my hour. This is almost this call today. Brother, will they see your work, but try a bid on your YouTube. I say I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So we people when just get, we encourage them. When I subscribe to her BS, if you dey here, if she dey watch me, she bring out her YouTube name. When I subscribe to her, so very soon I will come out on my own as well by the special grace of God. Very soon, we will take too much again. I will bring out my own YouTube, so we all go see the subscribe. They bid down, they go like that. You know, important like that we will discuss. And I promise you now, if I ever get YouTube, I know they talk about. I know they talk about hook up. No tell me say na so much shop your money. I know they. I don't sabi do all that one. I don't come give me matter. Market with na so they do you true. I know they. I see one bros just come aboard now. Fame. Farmership. I said, oh bros, thanks you, bros. I greet you. Thank you for coming, bros. Your boy Loyal, Domosa. I see you, Baba. Farmership or something like that. Yes, I know you very well the way from Empire. I see you, Baba. Baba, I beg this broadcast, you go try watch some small back a little later. I get important message when I give to Roma. So may not be like say I dey repeat them again. You let me watch them later. Based on the event when it was happen for Rome very soon. I greet you, Baba. Osare, Team Best, Osare. Those are my mama. Mama they watch all the way from Canada, UK. Now all these women, they encourage me for this time. Now all these women, they give me a no-gay. If I dey come and say I be the no-gay or the full Scandinavian, the no-gay of Mamo, or the both they talk. This lady when they all these are people that put me there. Mama, I greet you, Mama. May you greet Chema for me. I celebrate you like my Chema from Denmark could be one of the universe. Those are people. MC World, MC Baba King. You know, those are my people. So I really celebrate you all. My people. ABS. ABS so back me don't put a YouTube name here. The link don't there here. So I please you, my good follower. I please you, I beg. Vivian, if you are still here, if not 10 or 5 people, make una just quick click this a leak, make una quick go do one. We need to encourage ourselves. Please just do that for me, please. And if you have done that, just write done. Write done. That means you are already subscribed. You know, we'll do you anything, not be money na free. So I beg. Me una quick do that one. Enoma, thank you very much, Enoma. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Baba Fame, you too much, so our Baba don't borrow. Osare Team Best, Osas. Thank you for coming. I really see you. Rosemary, I beg, make una subscribe to this our sister YouTube ABS Obakbe. He send a link here. I beg. You know, say celebration like this. Now new things we they see. You know, as soon as they subscribe to her, now see celebration. She go see they happy. People go see do one for you. Not be my own now. And I'm a very old friend. You know, we don't know for long. If 50 people watching now, if now late 50 of una, if you go there, just touch them, just go that link, click them, just click them, follow them, then come back immediately. You know, that's why you be my people. I beg make we do one for this our sister. I really thank you all. Which one be Chris again? This one now this Chris when they come here now this one go to encourage that guy for Jamie. Chris, I beg carry your wallet come on here. We not call you. You hear? I beg they go. Whether not Chris you the answer. I don't know whether which kind of white you get. Come on here. I even block you. No, they come here again. No, I know they find people like una. I beg. Go where they for the do saga. If una don't una will push them, una go push them enter Ogion bar. Una will let them go talk with they're not supposed to talk. Now una come they laugh them. Come on here, if you not come out, now block, I won't block you now. If I still block you, I will show you. Go open another account, come. We're going to celebrate, we will come here. They carry on our own bad head, they enter here. Who can call you here now? I call you. See now. See, just few minutes broadcast. You want to tell people don't watch them. See, I don't, now record I break so, see, e get limit of people wey go watch your broadcast. This, see am, just few minutes, 2,047 people reach. You dey here na only you be baded wey come dey here. Today I no want, today na celebration, man no use my mouth to go talk bad thing. So I give you last chance. I no want do bad thing. I give you last chance. You write anything wey no make sense again, I go block you. May not be like say I don't respect you. I don't give you the last chance. Yes, greetings. Osao Moregbe, thank you for coming. I see you. Thank you very much. Good. Joy Felix. Today good though. Joy Felix. Joy Felix. Oh. Joy Felix, I see you. Thank you very much. When I do well, Joy Felix, I will share this broadcast. Or Roman in the house. Roman people really turn up today. My people, no one don't subscribe to ABS or back there. When I subscribe now, nobody ever write down. If you don't subscribe, you write down. If you still want to, most still give up. Or I don't want nobody want you also. The pain on us not leave the broadcast, come back again. The pain on us. So it's all about celebration, I really appreciate you all. We gonna try and encourage this our lady anyway. ABS or back the link there here for the YouTube. When I do one. If we not do it now, if I don't open now, I'll come the subscribe to my own. When I give me thumbs up now, if I say the house is too cold. Thumbs up. Give me press the thumbs up, please. Yeah, thank you very much. Osao Moregbe, those are my people. I respect you very much. My great leader yours the call. I see you, Baba Bonomose. I see you, my leader. I see you. You know, Baba, we might call him we might call him we Baba Bie. We might hear me. We okay not to call him. We might hear me we Baba Bie. Bonomose in the building. Bonomose in the building. That is Osayo More Ide, a great superstar. We not be vegion, it be wakara. I be not be so. So if you say I like the talk, if you see this single here, maybe you go Provaram. If you go Provaram, now you will come tell us how it be. Not be so. So I greet one of my people. Bros, I always love how you present your broadcast. Thank you very much. Kenneth, thank you very much, Abu. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for that word. It's too much. I really appreciate. You know, if we want to celebrate, we celebrate. That is life. Today, who I they see here today, so I talk. The fellas, you sit down, they watch me. ABS about me, they here, they watch me. Even Oga, friend. All my bleed, I want the respect for Roma, where. It's my bros, so I never see him saying, so they call his name for batting. You know, the respect, and that's why if I see a picture, they quit the comment put. You know, I appear as he able to take me as his son. Because I not go feel say he take me as his son, as his small friend. Because I'm my senior brother friend. So that's what you be. If you will respect elders will take you along. But if you want to say you too know, they'll come they won't leave you. How do you know John? Big bros, I love you. I love you too much. So I guess you go base for you. Yeah, they not be boy not be wakara. So women they like magician. Magician they here now. So I'm already there. All this one, they carry and they go London. I go having no. So I'm already there. Where I'm your boy in London. But I have ye le kote. I have mama nyowe. Na have you are in London. Iya ka ye London ya mo social media ya. When I look bebo. When I we gere ya fe. Egene ya la. Na banwa. Adegbe vinya de. I didn't hear me sunu wegena. Una we de London. Me can't trust ye best. When ya zo we do wa bere wo get as be. Aro wa. Na ya me we. When we dey egbe ohu we. Me yan we de eri ya go we. Una we not get paper, maybe we na calculate o. Maybe me won't tell una wetin una wan do. But nevertheless, who wan go may go. But normally, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be miss am. Hey, love beauty. You will abandon me, love beauty. You will be safe and they see you for my view. You go they give me joy. And they see you for another broadcast. I dey see you go dey wash on other people before I dey come out before you don come here I no dey see you again wetin I do na love beauty abeg dey come dey wash me I dey miss you na because I dey celebrate our baba today na you come you see because I no dey do saga I no sabi dey insult people I no dey carry people naked picture come out because I no get president na I make all of una dey run dey leave me I dey miss you love beauty make you remember me okay try dey come dey wash me okay na work abeg you try be na work you yourself na work no wahala love beauty Abies Obakpe okay make I wetin I go do for you Abies Obakpe make I pin that your okay make I yes that will be the best make I pin am for you so that I beg my people I don pin one of our good sister YouTube here abeg make una just click am una follow am abeg love beauty abeg follow this my sister page if na only 2 people I still get you just still go there today still good for me and once you just do am make you write down man know say yes we still give am 2 subscriber today you know abeg make we do am my good follower make una do am for her mona do am for her abeg na celebration like this you need to dey flow okay no problem I believe my people abeg once you just do am you write down if na I don't be like say I just talk something as the way una like me reach a whole like Coco one no one person go there go subscribe then I be say I no go open na if I go open who wan come go subscribe I be say I no go open so it's all about celebration man it's all about celebration you know me say person you know they come out on live video and na so they destroy this one property na so they collect this one land this one no work light no dey the state no nothing is working wetin the people wey even shout the 4+4 all of them just sit down for house they no begin talk for the matter artifact matter come all this no where from Amagba bush inspector or maybe no one come out talk for all this matter no one come out see that small boy now musician wey no get microphone he begin insult the whole Edo state all these people they don't come out they don't talk to am they don't talk see this woman cry come out now say they collect it now you see how say they talk but now people come say they want protest that smelly mouth they come out they tell people say make they not do the protest me personally I support that protest go hold for peace if they hijack that protest may they go house Amagba bush inspector good dose to if somebody do something they talk am good dose to that our leader the fear they fear betrayal so as I dey talk make una dey subscribe to this our sister if you don subscribe you write down you understand once you don subscribe you write down DON you write down then I know say one person don subscribe una don't let me just pin this thing here nobody go subscribe una subscribe to this my sister YouTube because if I open my own tomorrow now una go subscribe she said will still help me there hey thank you love beauty say done thank you very much so Abies Obakpe if you still there here may you check your YouTube if I fit still give you one person I try I don't be saga you know na saga people for the subscribe well but as my good follower don hear you now they go begin to follow yes you are very right my sister you say that they fear Obaseki betrayal son of course nobody won't mess up with them because if you go follow and do wahala now na problem Kennedy Newman those are my boss wife mama thank you for coming a Karanogwedo Obiel may you help me pass the information to my brother there or Baba Newman tamewo gogo mariye e pada merigbe pada very facing of a change our gbe pada if I man celebrate a baba they again I know miss every day person go dey come out on social media na so they collect land na so they do this we no even dey celebrate ourselves again if the people don't come out talk about the land they go come out they begin dey insult themselves this one go say topic to another social media presenter this one go say topic to another social media presenter insult cause problem e get the way why I don't want follow the do other one. E get where they come insult themselves reach, they come they put their mama join am, they come they put their papa. All these people, papa, mama, they don't know anything will happen. They dey on their own for home. Some of the day farm, some of the day market, some of the don't die. They'll see they insult them. So if what the way they go they pay me most, they'll go they bring their pictures. They don't go see anything do. They will even bring their brothers. We don't know what will happen. They will carry their brother picture come out. Come see this sister brother. Oh. They will bring their brother sister come out. Oh, someone say done. Okay. Okay, done also. Wow, you don't get many now. When you check out, they will come bring their this time their people picture come out. Please we don't know one, don't know two. Not them. Okay, they'll do them. It's begin to insult all of them. People, their brother we don't know one, don't know two. Go find their picture. Enter the person Facebook. Go find a Peking, find a brother, find that one. They'll come put all of them together. They'll come they insult all of them. They don't know one, don't know two. Now. See where come the way you can't know. See all these people they be evil. Most of the inside are evil. You know, person when they Europe as I all they so as I all see they enjoy myself they go now as a but almost say they here now we not boy you know be wakara. If they don't do you know wait for the hand down they can go they bring juju paper and do aga and it for so you can't imagine. Okay, social media before now to use and they get fund, use and laugh. They can't carry and go the next level. Money where they suppose carry, go give orphanage home. Money where they suppose go give their old school friends for home. They bless them. My brother, you did. Take this one, take buy bag of fries. Share and give so people. They not go do it, but they'll go carry and go give out to native doctor. Make they share ojuju paper. They give waiting they small they start for social media. So my people, I don't get strength for all that kind of one. Because if they call me, they are not going to answer. So I don't want you just participate. Man, they use it I believe it's the best. I hope this one. Somebody don't call you. My brother do. Person like you see there here, I don't know. I don't quick block you sis. I beg, come again. I go to go one. See Kennedy don't come. All this one the mumu people for inside. I beg, write anything come again, man. Block you come here. I dey wait for you, Kenneth. I beg write on that thing. Madness is your for sure. Like me, that they miss you. Now they miss a love. You see, that people they current. Any bad comment, they don't respond to them. I like her. All this one go school well. Hey, Nika, here was spoiled. Where na Beniti shall be. He said, Nika will go send you message. I don't like this lady. So I bet this our sister. Mona see tries to follow up. I for like pin with this my love beauty, right? I all pray maybe say that you did this picture because you too gallant. But almost say. I don't see this fine lady here. You know, say you never marry. If you still, if this my platform, I don't do but if we not still marry on ourselves, today na celebration day, everything is allowed. Not be so. Now, someone invite me, I will find one way better about this one. I'll wear a content celebration now. So I greet you all once again. I really love you all from the bottom of my heart. As we all fit day together to celebrate our Baba. I really appreciate. You saw today I break record. 1 hour I get like 2,200 views. I get them because you get where it reach for you for my page. You get some limit of people when go watch my this thing. I get how I tell they know. So I really appreciate you all. Love beauty, not laugh. It's not be laughing matter. This one be laughing matter. Oh. This one be laughing matter. Joy Felix, I see you. I love you too. You too much. You too much. But almost say day everything is allowed. My leader still there also. We just still come. Maria Queen, thank you very much. I see you. Princess Omo, thank you very much for coming. Where Idaosa. Yeah, thank you very much. The way Idaosa done right. How it really go. Thank you very much. How you dey, Olagwe? I did fine, no. Zulu. I did fine, Thank you, Doris Obaseki. Congratulations, Baba. I greet you, Doris Obaseki. Thank you for coming. Ewere, thank you very much. Now, all about celebration. The way we to embrace this thing, like I say, with this particular event, we go. I promise you now, we go do a part 1 and part 2. We need to digest time, especially tomorrow. I promise you now, this is my level when I take come out today. So tomorrow I will come out with another color. And most of you now when see the like native, make una try connect Eritio song. Now in the so for Akoberian, now you see the so for Olita, Eritio song, then I realize Eritio Bona. So the guy they try well. So thank you for coming. We're about to end the broadcast. The broadcast is almost 1 hour plus now. So I believe at BST Day here, people don't subscribe to you, right? So na celebration, you need to do them. So thank you for your like. Thank you for your contributions. I really appreciate you all. It's all about Ogidigan. Oba talk hey. Even I go you know go. Now all this celebration now we define for long. We don't define now. Media. This one will come. That's why they collect the land. This one will come. That's why they scatter a house. This one will come. That's why nothing way will work. Soldier now go destroy that woman's house. That's also destroy. We know they see say I want the year say Buhari they come at those states come commission project. Una no want see huh? Una no want see that day. Say Buhari they come at those states come commission project. That's the one I stand for as a freedom fighter. Buhari they come at those states. Buhari they come at those states come commission project. Now that one we want the year. No be calamity no po calamity. Yesterday I showed one video. Some may now they give them only 2 weeks. May they relocate. You say may they relocate, you don't give them location. Ask me where all that people they go now. FRO, thank you very much, FRO, for coming. FRO, beautiful ladies, they here today, oh, FRO. May you shine your eye, oh. Shine your eye. Everything is allowed for Olakoko Talk Show, eh. Shine your eye. FRO, thank you for coming. I see you. Some may, they say may they relocate. They say may they relocate. You say may they relocate now, you don't give them location. Ask me where all that people, where they won't start from. Yeah, FRO, I see you, John. I know who don't like Betati. They dance. Shine your eye. And I mean know my people. FRO, I beg, subscribe to this YouTube one pin here, so I beg. ABS or Backbe. That this is something why I pin for this war. Now my good friend, YouTube. Mona subscribe. Mona just click and subscribe. May you come back. We don't marry. We are not single. Nah, we don't marry. Hey, don't worry. I beg you. Okay, no problem. I hear what you talk, but I go investigate. Okay. Our sister do this thank all of una wey don subscribe to her. She says she dey thanks a lot, brother. I just sit busy, doing hair. Okay, she dey do hair, and she really appreciate. Thank everyone who subscribe to for me. She thank all of una. Why we say if they buy it more that way. I fit talk, una no do. I no go do na anything. Tomorrow na me go see the miss una. Commenters na be the backbone for social media presenters. Follower na be social media presenter. Now una be the lawyer. Now una be the judge. Now una be any cow. Now una be everything. So if una talk out, wata only wata ne. We na ko be yan kai. Oh we are tie. So wana no. Now una go see push social media presenter. Una go push them. Una go push them enter Orionba. They will not go nowhere. When they will take go talk, what they not supposed to talk. The next thing will come happen to them, that to go they will go enter one chance. Some go una go push them, they will go begin. When they do hook up before, you go that deviate from hook up, you go enter another direction. Who be they do organic cream? Maybe organic cream they call them. Una go comment. You go come up for organic cream. You go enter saga. From saga, you na go do and you not do where you go enter. We commenters. Yeah, wait. I will respect here. So I join my sister celebrate una. Una really do well the way una take thumbs up. John William, thank you very much for coming. Many names today here. Samuel, thank you very much for coming. I see you. Thank you very much. Doris, John, Jane, thank you very much. Almost past. Please make when I say feel free to follow this my page because I really see a lot of new faces today. Like love Beauty. That will not be new face. That one of my old follower. And they like her comments where you see and say they follow up. People go your day, they'll just they watch you, they'll just they enjoy the broadcast. But people they when go they comment, they ginger you, they encourage you, you know. But when I see they do well anyway, one as they like. People they background when they don't show themselves for the screen. The many pass who they here. People who they see for screen now, they never reach 100, they don't reach 200. But me go tell you say viewers when we don't see here today. Maximum, they go, it don't pass 1,000. After this broadcast, check how many viewers you will see for this broadcast. NS Osagbovu, thank you very much. I see you. I really respect you all once again. Thank you all. The way when I sit here encourages my sister. May God bless you all. So I promise you all by tomorrow we'll continue in this broadcast. Tomorrow is Saturday after work, after some activities. Maybe in the same time this evening we will continue. And my brother, why they make sure he name all the time, so when I must say we will use the music to start the broadcast. I promise that we will use the music to start the broadcast. When I must say, if you get particular track when you want to play tomorrow, we don't get all that thing I want to talk. We won't dance. I won't rub another pada to celebrate our Baba. We won't rub another pada to celebrate our Baba. So feel free to send me any song. You know the kind of music one they like. You get them. So I will enter your wall, go find out. That one where you fair play for Orionba, that will start. Because we need to remember them. Remember Orionba. From there we continue. So very soon now, we see go strike, go play one track. Woman when go shook leg for bush. Wanna go play the track come out. No feel where you are. The one way you do, way you not do. When they talk follow, you do or you don't want to say you do. Wanna use and play album. Maybe they use and they go. So thank you all for watching. Please share this broadcast and feel free to follow my page as well. If you never follow this page, feel free to follow this page. This is Ola Coco, one of Everywhere Talk Show. Feel free to follow this page. Thank you all. The way you all write congratulations, people will congratulate you now. Anything we una heart desire, they find God will answer una. All una secret prayer, God will answer them. As far as we feel put here together to celebrate Ogidigan, the Omonoba ne do Ukbo Akpolo Okborunu ne Bowao, Oba Niviedo Yayu, Ehara, no Giviedo Yafe, Oba Norie, Uji Nima, Webu. Mayasu could be the mana celebrate na wo yi the give for we maroba, for wa, Kimeno Wego, for women. Now, you might say only lad, I don't want to come out today. I don't fit tell you lie. My followers here will bear with weakness. I don't want to come out today. I just one day. after a lot of stress today in work, I don't want just day whether you don't know me whether I stress or not stress. I'm gonna come out. But yesterday I come out, yesterday I come out. Now about land, they destroy this one, destroy this one. I sit down, you just calculate the thing for work. Say, all this land matter. No be Kabaka hotel they destroy. How many people come out, come even they cry, say, oh, this hotel pay me, oh, this hotel pay me, oh. So no be una oh when no even reach 1 million, una oh when no even reach 2 million. So wetin work on they put for head for. So now God what they pray for, you know. I just want to see and say, Kabaka will pay up till now. Kabaka will tell you they pay me, you know. So I'm not wearing no ekba won't so why go ya wegbe because wa gwalo e ka no kon wa e wa dey. So your reason I say today I don't want to come out. My yours of yours relax. But as I hear the breaking news, I don't feel resistance. So thank you all. Thank you. May God bless you all. Greetings all the way from Scandinavia to you all. And welcome to Olakoko One of Everywhere Talk Show once again. I appreciate you all. So we see tomorrow. We continue this broadcast. Faro John, thank you very much. I really celebrate you. Thank you all. Sorry to leave you guys for now. We'll continue from there tomorrow. All the beautiful ladies in the house, I salute now. The men are not jealous, so bye-bye for now.